few months ago, I was invited to speak about LinkedIn and how you can communicate your services and advertise your products using LinkedIn. Generally, it was a social media meetup, and here was my presentation. And I realized that most businesses, instead of creating business profiles for their businesses, they create a separate regular LinkedIn profile. So there's a difference between a LinkedIn profile and a LinkedIn page. So for businesses, it's recommended for you to create a business page. And still, up to today, I still see a lot of businesses on LinkedIn disguised as a profile. So that's why I'm making this video, so that you learn how to create a business page. Now, I'm just going back to my presentation before I show you how you can create a LinkedIn page. And here it is. The purpose of a page is to showcase your service. It's completely different from your LinkedIn profile. It's used to track analytics for your posts. And here is an example which I used back then. There is this place called Eco Flex and Shine Paint. And here you can see they created their profile as a regular profile instead of creating it as a page. Now I'm going to show you the difference here. You can see this is an example of a LinkedIn page. We are using LinkedIn as an example. For a page, you can see that you have here a following. You don't have. For profile, you see you have where you work, all that. For pages, you see you have about sections, you have product section, post sections, jobs, etc. So in a profile, you don't have it. So now, how do you create business page? Now, let me take you through. I'm just going to open another tab and go to my LinkedIn. Let's wait for it to load. Now, here is my personal LinkedIn page. Now, when I click here on home, go to my LinkedIn home page, you can see that on the left-hand side, these are pages. These are my pages. These are different businesses that I'm currently managing. It is totally separate from my personal profile. So to create such a page, what you're going to do is you're going to go on the top right here, click on that drop down for business, then scroll down. Here you will see create a company page. So you're going to click on that. Now to create a page, you'll choose the type of page that you want to create. Is it a small, medium? Is it associated with an existing page? Is it an educational institution? Whatever it is. So normally we choose a company, so you click on that. Now from here you're all set up. You add your page name, add your tag over there. Normally if you create a name, it will automatically give you username. So that's, you can see that will be the URL of the company name. Then if you have a website, you're going to put your website link here. Then the industry you choose, is it technology? And then you select size of the organization or business. Then the type of the organization, is it a non-profit, a partnership? Then if you have a logo, you're going to click choose, then choose logo from your computer or wherever it is. Then after add a tagline, basically brief about what you do. And after that, you're just going to click on create page. It is that simple. Now, I'm going to use one of my pages, an example of how you can edit the page. Once you create the page, to go back to my home page, I'm going to choose one of the pages. Now you can see from here you can create a post. So to create a post as a page, make sure you're on the page and you're having the main section of the page here. You can see you have activity, you have analytics, you have inbox where you can read messages specifically sent to that page. You can edit your page from here. If you click on edit page, you can always come back anytime and change your page description. You can change your URL. You can change number of company size, yeah, founded, all that, all the sessions, all the page info, all the buttons, everything pretty much is right here. And you can see the overview of how your page looks. Now, you can write an article using from this page. You simply just go to feed, then you click here to start post, write an article, or upload an image. And the good thing is here with pages, you have your analytics here. You can see how your page has been performing. You can choose within dates and that. So guys, use this guide to create a LinkedIn page for yourself. Don't mix up. You don't have to create a new email address or anything. Then here you can add administrators. Let me show you. So we're going to go to settings. And then from here you can go to manage admins. So I click on that. And then here you can add an admin. So you just look for the person's name, then give them a role, then send them an invitation. For example, so I'll choose that, then choose a role here, content admin or analyst, and then just click on save. They will receive an invitation. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this, be sure you ask them in the comments and I can see how to answer them. Please, please, please do not mix up a profile with your business. Those are two separate things. So you don't have to create a new email address to create a new LinkedIn profile. You just have to create a LinkedIn business page. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next one.